What the frick is up, guys? Welcome back to another trading recap. But you know what? First things first, I gotta thank you all for 80 freaking subscribers. We're almost at 90 subs, and it's literally been like 2 days. We're going up so fast. I said thank you for 70, and that night we hit 80. And now we're at 88, almost about to hit 90. So thank you guys so much. I'm definitely gonna keep the content coming. And yeah, man, it's been fun making it. And I'm really glad people are having fun watching it. So yeah, let's break down these trades that we made today. Or the trade that we made today. So coming into today, I'm gonna make this nice, short, and sweet. Coming into today, we had a bullish bias, right? Last night, what I wanted to see, I was expecting to sweep the previous day's low during the Asian session or London session. We got close, but we didn't quite get the sweep. So by the time I woke up and got to the charts, we were already slightly bullish. So that was like, that gave me more confidence. We hadn't swept the day's low, but we were already starting to push up and have our continuation or our reversal rather. Sizing down to the 4 hour, we have here, we see a bit this bearish fair value gap. So if you watch my live trading, you'll see that I said I wanted to see this inverse on this 6 a.m. candle. I wanted to see inverse if I was going to continue to take longs. We didn't inverse, but we still took some longs. So I'm going to show you the one short idea that I had as well, because we didn't quite inverse this gap. But we have this 4 hour here, and it's really creating this 4 hour BPR. See this bullish fair value gap here, along with this bearish one here, that creates a balanced price range. And all of this was delivering out of this 1 hour order block. So this one order block here was almost all of my confluence. So I did extend it all the way to the wicks of the order block, so you can see how price has respected the consequent encroachment or that 50% mark the entire time. So as soon as we confirmed it as order block with this candle close here, not one time did we trade below the 50%, right? So seeing that, that was like, of course we're going to continue it. Like, we're still bullish. Hell yeah. So that's exactly what I was doing. I came into the markets looking for bullish moves. So yeah, let's come down to the 15 minute. We have this inversion fair value gap, this inverse that happened at around 9:15 a.m. So right before I got on the charts, we had this inverse that was also bullish confluence. Along with the whole market structure of this thing, we have lower low or higher lows, higher highs, and yeah, we were already climbing. And then we had that hourly bullish fair value gap as well. Now to the meat and potatoes. So we have this 5 minute this 5 minute bearish fair value gap that I had marked out. That was my target for this first trade originally, but then this trade went right back to it and I didn't hold it all the way. That's a story for another time. So let's come down to the 1 minute to really break down our trade, or the trade that we missed. We had SMT 1 minute inversion and a break of structure in the same candle as the inversion. Well, not in the same candle, but like a couple candles after we inverse, or we had the break of structure here. We had the inversion down here. So what's the RR difference on that? Pretty big, right? But anyways, we saw that. Saw how bullish we were, and we saw that bearish fair value gap as a target, and still didn't make the trade. So didn't enter on that one. And when I saw it hit this gap here, and we made this inversion here, and we inversed it here, this was my one short idea for today. I had my stops at these highs, and I was just aiming for a 1.5 R, because yeah, so that was my short idea for the day, and I didn't actually take that. So we went 3 for 3 on marked out trades today, which is pretty good. But I digress. So this trade pointless. Just gonna keep it for the thumbnail. But here we have SMT at the lows. We had this order block. We had, well, I mean, we weren't really respecting this order block as much as I had liked to, but we had to break through the order block in order to put in the SMT with ES. But yeah, once we put in SMT, that's what I entered off of. That was a confluence that I entered off of. We were tapping back into the inversion, had SMT, and yeah, price just rallied from there. The reason why I entered here or exited there and not at the bearish fair value gap again or at this line or wherever, simply was because I entered too heavy on my combine account, on like the evaluation accounts, eval accounts. I entered a bit too heavy, and there was really no efficient way for me to get rid of the contracts on one account without getting rid of them on all of them. So I just market canceled, market exit, everything. So yeah, man, today, 3 bands. That's for my boy who said we need 2 bands tomorrow. I got you. That's 3 bands today. But easy way to start the week. Almost passing 2 accounts. Definitely can't complain, man. Those are things we love to see. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Hope y'all made some money today. And yeah, man, keep following them rules and keep stacking that pay. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.